What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how can you change your date for your British Airways booking, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, how can you actually do it, and can you do it? So if you need to change your booking, please contact British Airways. They cannot process amendments online at the time. And if you need to cancel your booking, go to Manage My Bookings, where you can also find the cancellation terms. So basically they are having a global service fees. So if you need to make a change to your booking, cancel your flight or buy new tickets, then you may have to pay a service fee. Service fees are best explained as basically handling charges, so please be aware that you may incur other charges in addition to the below service fees. For example, you may also have to pay a change fee, a cancellation fee, or the difference in the price of a new ticket. The amount you pay depends on many different factors, such as which country you are and or how flexible your ticket is. Of course, we are having a calculate your fees option. You need to select a country you will be buying in, and basically you have loads and loads of filters. So purchase ticket, change the booking, or cancel the booking. So guys, basically they made even a calculator for it. So basically you need to do it so-called in person. Basically you need to contact them and see what you can do about the date change. So guys, basically that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.